Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you a day in the life. So I am part of a challenge, a 7-day video challenge with Ali Abdaal. So I'm supposed to do 7 videos. This is video number 6 and it's supposed to be a day in the life. So I'm gonna take you along to see how my day goes on, just a few of the activities, and I promise you're gonna see some cuteness. I'm gonna show you my babies. So I have 2 dogs. One is a poodle mix. His name is Bailey. Bailey is right here. I think you have seen him before in some of the videos. Hi, Bailey. And then we have Chewy. He's a Shih Tzu. Chewy. So cute. So if you want to see some cuteness, stitch along the way. So I'm supposed to do a day in the life, and the title is supposed to be like a day in the life of and then your career or your job or whatever you do. So I was thinking just stay at home mom over 50, or a day in the life of a trophy wife. I think I wanted to be a trophy wife. I told my husband if I quit my job, I could be a trophy wife because I was having a hard time at my job. I had to drive for a long commute when I was working. So spending a lot of time in the car, more than 10 hours a week in the car, that was like too much. And then you still have to do all the cleaning in the house, you still have to do all the cooking and everything. So it was just too much. So we made some adjustments and we saw that we were gonna be able to do it for me to stay home. But now we are having some problems, so I need to find a job soon. So hopefully I'll be able to keep doing my videos. I don't know, we'll see if I have enough time. And the other thing is, I think we need to start charging my kids some rent. So we have 2 kids. They are adults now. My son is 23, my daughter is 21, and they're both working, and they pay for their car and their insurance, but they don't pay for rent or food or anything. So I think we're gonna have to do that if we want to stay in this house. So hopefully we can pass this and move ahead and everything goes back to normal soon. So we'll see. Bailey, come here, Bailey. It's a beautiful rainy day in Arizona. We don't get this a lot. It's normally always sunny and hot. Today is beautiful. Bailey, come inside. He doesn't want to come inside. He's enjoying the rain. Bailey, come on. I'm gonna have to give you a bath, Bailey. Is it Bailey? You wanna go out there? Wanna go outside? Are you sure? There is a bird right there. Oh my gosh, is it alive? It is alive. Poor thing. Bailey, no. Bailey, no. The water is disgusting. It was empty, but with the rain, it got so messy. That's why he wanted to go outside. He wanted to go see the bird. I don't know if he wanted to eat it or what, but he just wanted to go out all the time. My husband gave him some water and some bread, and we left him there for hours. We came back later and we couldn't find him anymore. He was gone. I hope he's okay. Now I'm gonna do some sewing today, so I'm going to do thread painting. So I'm gonna sew around this picture to make it more realistic. I just worked for a few minutes on this and I still have a long way to go, so I'll show you when it's done. We are going to give a haircut to Bailey. Say hi, Bailey. He's scared. And Chewy is down there, waiting for his turn. Good Hi. You okay? Let's turn this on. Vacuum. Bailey's ready to get a bath. You look so cute, Bailey. Bailey's on. We are gonna take all the Bailey's hair. Look at this. Wow. Good boy, good boy. Mr. Chewy is ready. Hi, Chewy. You ready to take a bath? Oh yes, splash all over the walls, everywhere. Are you guys ready? What do you want? What do you guys want? You guys want a snack? Are you trying? Oh no, the chicken are gone. Let's see. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you can stitch along the way. Adios!